Mark is a man with good intentions, but his good intentions runneth over his workbench and his garage.
I'm a weekend warrior. I will attempt anything that has a set of instructions, but a lot of times you need to acquire special tools for different projects, and I need a place to put them all.
Behold, this is Wall Control. Everything you need to get your stuff up and organized. It's designed to be installed in side-by-side panels on standard stud spacing. So find them and mark off where your wall will be transformed. Unlike conventional pegboard, Wall Control has a built-in mounting flange, meaning it can mount flush with the wall and the mounting screw isn't exposed. The openings on this board are designed to hold tight.
So the pegs have a double lock feature that allow them to be secure. So even if you're taking a tool off of one of the pegs, it won't just fall off of the panel while you're trying to remove the tool.
What you put into Wall Control is so secure, you can actually have shelves and bins, even hang a bike. Wall Control comes in 9 different powder-coated finishes that are baked on to last a lifetime. Change your mind, change your design to hold whatever you need.
My wife is no longer complaining that my workshop is a mess.
Wall Control runs around $100 for more than 10 square feet of storage. It's strong enough to hold about 200 pounds per 16 by 32 inch panel. That's a lot of stuff. So don't stack or pack your stuff. Get control of the wall.